Hello my beautiful artists, do you like pandas? Today we'll learn how to paint a cute panda pair. Let's start!
This is Gigi, and he's a panda. Gigi likes to play. Kiki, she likes bamboo. Before we get into it, we'll need to prepare the right materials. You'll need ink, a script liner, and a combination brush. To paint bamboo, you need a dark green, dark blue, and light green. Let's start with Kiki because she's a little smaller. Here, she's sitting with her arms and legs together. First, I use a pencil to sketch. Just draw the outline of its arms and legs. Paint a shape of its face and back. Remember, you will paint over it later with a brush. She looks like a fluffy ball of black and white. Gigi over here is bigger. He's hungry, so he stands up to get more bamboo. If you know how to sketch, you can skip a minute ahead. I would like to use a pencil to draw out the movement. Then we'll need a script liner to paint more details. We are going to have to give them an outline and their cuteness will appear. Paint Kiki's eye first. She's looking at the bamboo. So paint a circle, then paint it in blank. Make sure leave a white space. Even though its eyes are blank, you can still see its eyeball with a little white part. This makes it shiny. Make sure your brush doesn't have too much water, or your strokes will spread out. Use the tip of the brush to paint the blank eyeball. Next, use the same brush dip into water to make a lighter color. Paint the blank part around the eyeball. Leave a little space around the eyeball because the ink spreads easily. Also, leave a space next to the outline. Do you know what the panda wants to do most? They want to have a colorful picture. That's interesting. It's not just the white and blank. Hope their dream can come true. Switch to a combination brush. Use dark ink to sweep the brush in the front of a C. Gigi and Kiki's ears are not too big, so just press a little bit of the brush. Switch back to your script liner brush and roll the brush on the paper. Remember feedback strokes from my basic strokes video? Try to add some here. Start with Kiki. Use the tip of the brush to paint the outline of her face. Kiki is younger, so her outline should be smaller. She is holding bamboo. JJ is bigger, so his outline is darker and longer. His face has a lot of details, but most importantly, we want to give him is a big smile. Sweep the brush to paint the outline of his face. Because it's white, we won't need too much ink. Just make some strokes under his face. And under his ears, beside his nose, and then big smile a shadow. Paint a dark triangle for his nose. Also give KK's one. KK is a bit cleaner than JJ, so just paint some strokes showing the dirt under his ear. Now make some nice strokes down the wax paper, and make sure KK and JJ's eye looking at each other. The angle just right. KK's blank arm is holding bamboo. Notice how the tone of blank is changes from the tip to the end. To get this effect, dip into water and press the brush to get light ink. It should look fluffy, just like Kiki and JJ. Her legs are also blank, so use the same technique to paint her legs. KK's fingers are not short. They can use this to hold their food well. JJ stretches out his arms to try to grab something. Remember the color changes. The best way is press the brush. Add more water almost the end, and fix the outline. Don't forget the other little hands. For his legs, we just paint one, because the other one is behind the foreground. What's that? Let's see. Now we'll mix different tones of green. Dip the whole brush into dark green. With the tip of the brush in light green. Press the brush from bottom to upright. Press, lift, press. Can you guess what's this? It's Kiki and JJ's favorite food, bamboo. If you haven't painted bamboo before or need a refresher, you can check my Chinese painting bamboo tutorial. I'll put a link in the description box below. Now let's paint leaves. That's their favorite part. They stretch out their fingers to grab food. So cute! They like young leaves the best. Use lighter green for the freshest leaves. See how the leaves on the top are most completed missing. I wonder where they went. Maybe we should ask Gigi. For now, paint the middle part with the most leaves. Paint bamboo leaves in groups. To make them more lifelike, use light blue on their face. It's better to just cover the light ink. And also make on the legs. So this is Kiki and Gigi, two cute pandas that I saw having a feast of bamboo in the forest. I hope you like them. You can paint some more panda friends in the scenes for practice. That's all I have time for today. If you have any questions and want to learn more subjects, leave a comment, let me know. Remember to subscribe. See you next class.